change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's safely, it's how I understand what I want in this place. See, you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life.
God. Oh, yep. Is this pre-recorded? What's going on here?
Time I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll
Yeah.
give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
And we got a big gap to fill under there.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. Guides me the most. Fuck what I want.
Good morning, everyone. How you guys doing? All right, it's a new day, it's a new trading day. DJ Louderhouse, how you doing? Ibrahim Khan, how you doing? Oh, see if this music will play. Ignore the dates that you guys see in the title. I made a mistake. The date is not correct. Okay. This is live. It's not recorded. All right. Just putting it out there. I'm good, Alex, and you? Good morning, how you doing? Right now, we're just gonna chill. The London Open. Let's see, what's the volatility on gold looking like today? See, take a sell here. Oh, okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Now today is day 3. We started on Monday. So you had Monday, yesterday, and today. As you guys are hopping on, remember to smash the like button, guys. Love your stream, helps a lot. Thank you, I appreciate that. Hopefully we get some volume today with London session.
Tryna find love, no, it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave. Take a look into your eyes where I find reason. Yeah. Writing love letters with my broken English. Don't say what it said. I'm wishing you well. Set the time and place and I'll meet you there. Be right there. Be right. I'll be right. Stumbling up the stairs. Please come, I need help. Show me that you're there. We've been through so much in the past week. Can we start afresh, leaving in last week? Cause I'm so good. Fighting them temptations and that old phone. They've been trying to separate us so long. But I want you in my life, can't do it solo. Cause nobody was meant to be by themselves. I'll take your hand, go all the way. They say that good things come to those that wait. Might get a little immature, don't wanna wait. But if you're trying to find love, no, it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave.
How was New York session for you guys? YouTube? There's a video trade New York session.
Writing love letters from my broken English. Don't say what it said. I'm wishing you well. Set the time and place and I'll meet you there. Be right there. Be right. I'll be right. Distance so what? I ain't done enough. Love in your face, what you running from? You'll hear the pain in these melodies. Love crying, talking felonies. Won't fake the feeling. Departed so hard, it's a villain. No talking, just show it the real is. Please can you show me some? Please can you show me something? Letters in the air.
Give me a second, guys. I'll be right back.
Promise it'll be worth it. A little far away, wish I can say it in person. Just wanna let you know. If you're tryna find love, know it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave. Take a look into your eyes where I find reason. Yeah. Writing love letters from my broken English. Come say what it said. I'm wishing you well. Set the time and place and I'll meet you there. Be right there. Be right. I'll be right. Two separate time zones. Either way, we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone. I know the memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call. Gassing you up like fast car. Jack one, room to you. I'ma come scoop you. True, let's rendezvous. Skip all that waiting, I'm coming to you. Swoop you at 10, have you back home in June. Shotgun the coupe, destination no more.
You got 16 pips on gold sales at NYC Open. Nice. Made $20 in New York. Nice. Thanks for the heads up on the scammer using your name. I already did, Yan. I already banned. You're already banned.
Looking like an angel in this lighting. Baby, you a star the way you shiny. Looking like the type to make my wife. Two separate time.
You don't trade NY, but you see great setup. Alright. Run the likes up, guys. Let's run the likes up.
Left with the feels, right or wrong, you know I I keep it black and white with you like rap shirt. While we typing, I'd rather FaceTime. You know I like it, but I don't wanna waste time. Answering signs, taking up the whole can. Whoa, damn. Caught staring my attention, yeah, you own that. Talk to me, love that.
Doesn't look like we got volume right now, so hopefully the volume kicks in when London session opens.
Book you a ticket, I put the cash down. Lay away, exhausted, but we stay up talking till we falling asleep, yeah. Would you mind if I walk through your dreams? Two separate time zones, either way we going all night long. Up late, smiling at your iPhone, I know. The memes that I sent got you laughing your ass off. You still buzzing off last call, gassing you up like fast car, check one. Room to you, I'ma come scoop you.
Those of you trying to get the trade journal, all you have to do is to just make a copy. That's all you have to do. Do I ever take a 5-minute supply on demand? I used to, but I don't do that anymore. I switched to the 15-minute in August last year, and since then I prefer the 15-minute.
We switching from quantity to quality.
Yep, pretty much.
I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see-through. All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like seafood. Remember when I saw you? Hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty, she just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese, I don't wanna leave you. Want you right here, I just do when I'm in street.
Yeah, Alex, in my opinion, 15-minute is more reliable.
She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She says she noticed a pattern. She say I look gorgeous, I tell her I'm flattered, but I am my reflection.
If I want to be taking sniper entries still, while using supply and demand, sniper entries, or you can say weak entries, I'd rather do that on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame and above.
Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. You said that you love me, don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here, love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me, all the shit we've been through. Why you always upset? I don't really get you, I don't really get you. Why should I always gotta be so stressful? Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you, I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed with
OM, you just have to make a copy. That's all you have to do. You don't have to request for access.
I hate my reflection, and I look at you, all I see is perfection.
Yeah, Alex, we can't use on a higher time frame. Oh, Sandy. I don't. What is that? Is your name Sandy or Sandile? Oh, Sandile. I don't take GJ anymore. I don't do GJ anymore. How do you make a copy? So you click on, I think it's file on the top left hand corner, and then you should see an option to make a copy. Oh, whoa, why did I stop trading GJ? Man, because DJ is freaking trying to be a freaking BITCH. That's why I stopped. DJ was being a BITCH. So I divorced her. I told GJ, get out of here. Give my lawyer my divorce paper. Which is wild, by the way. So he served GJ my divorce paper. And killed a bit. So I tried to defend GJ. But man, Wild was a very good lawyer.
Killed the beat, he tried.
What, it just took you to you need access? Oh boy. Okay. I'll work on that later. Because the reason why I don't want to make it public is because a lot of people don't know that they need to make a copy. Because the journal I was using last year, man, I had to like make a lot of changes when I made it public, because people would just get it and then they just start editing what I already have there already. Then I have to go back and do all that all over again. So it was frustrating. So I decided not to make it public. But I think there is a way where I can still make it private, but you'll still be able to copy it and make the changes. So I'll work on that.
Yeah, I remember when I saw your trade journal. It's like some of the pages are messed up.
Yeah, and I didn't even realize. Hey Anton, how you doing? Do I have any GJ replacements? No, I'm just trading gold and NAS now. Gold, only gold during London, and then gold or NAS during New York. So I'm pretty much taking 2 trades a day. The only day I might take 3. It's, let's say, I lose 1 trade, maybe either during London or New York session, and then I'll look to take another one. So 3 maximum. But still just go to NAS though. Yeah, we tapped the 15-minute supply. We just got to see how this 15-minute candle is gonna close, and we still have like 38 minutes before London session opens. So, because I'm not taking anything until London opens. I actually wanted to do a deeper pullback though, right? That's what I wanted to do, and actually tap this 15-minute supply right here. And we start falling from there. That means we probably gonna grab liquidity above this lower high, which is a minor resistance here. That's what I would like it to do, but price might not do that. Whatever it does, we'll be ready. Why don't I trade GBP USD? Man, Emmanuel, don't even talk to me about GBP USD, okay? I don't want to hear nothing about GU. Where's the weed? It's coming. The weed is coming.
And start puffing, Abe. We need you sharp.
I already smoked earlier, that's why I'm taking my time now.
No, you hate working and you working sick and tired. I can be the vibe, girl, the vibe that you try to find. Get my mind.
Can you tell us GU stories, Lion? It's not even a wait. Oh, you said really Lion Daddy. You oh, you trade SMC. GU just wasn't working for me, so that's all. No. In a nutshell, GU just wasn't working for me. And that's what trading is. That's what trading is. That's why you see some traders like they only trade one pair. But before they go to that level, right? Before they go to that level of them trading one pair, they've already traded multiple pairs in the past. But because they were journaling their trades, right? Because they were journaling their trades, they were able to make the decision that, man, looks like maybe GU or maybe gold or maybe US30 or NAS. But let's just say NAS. So they finally figured out, based on their trading journal, they finally figured out that, man, NAS 100 is working for me. I have the highest win rate with NAS 100, so you know what? I'm just going to stick with NAS 100 because that's what has been working for me. That's how it is. You always gotta go with what works for you, whether it's strategy, whether it's the pairs, whether it's the way you manage your trades, whether you're going for positive risk to reward or negative risk to reward, whatever works for you, and you stick to that. Don't listen to what the next person is saying, because you don't have to trade, right? You don't have to trade the same way the next trader trades. There are a lot of ways to make money in this game. I was speaking to someone yesterday on the phone, a trader too as well. Then I'm coming. Give me a minute here. Like this music. Okay, so I was talking to him. I can't remember what we were really like, how the conversation started, but oh, he asked me. He was like, "Why do I think Forex has such a bad rep, and it actually has a very low successful rate?" I'm like, well, in my own opinion, I blame two people. I blame the new traders, and I also blame the so-called Forex gurus. But most of the blame, I will put it on the Forex gurus. And this is why I said that. If you go and take a look at this so-called Forex guru social media account, tell me what you're gonna see the most. Are you gonna see their lifestyle the most? Or are you gonna see content about trading the most? Tell me what you're gonna see between the two of them. I already know the answer. You're gonna see 99.9% lifestyle contents, not trading. So they're over here selling dreams by posting freaking lifestyle videos. 99.9% is lifestyle videos, not trading. Like, where is the education? So when the new trader keeps saying those contents on social media, mentally, psychologically, he or she is already thinking, oh man, all I have to do is just bam, get into this thing, and bam, I'm gonna start making money like this dude over here. Not knowing and understanding that trading is not even like that. That is the main reason, in my own opinion, why we have a very, very low successful rate in trading. If these so-called Forex gurus can stop your freaking posting more, like, there's nothing wrong in posting your lifestyle. I mean, hey, it's social media. But the industry we're in is education. As a trading influencer, your content should be, majority of your content on your social media should be about the education. But it's not like that. But hey, it is what it is. On my social media, it's not like I cannot post my lifestyle, but I chose not to. This right here, I'll post more of this than I post my freaking lifestyle, because my lifestyle is nobody's business. If you really want to learn, my lifestyle shouldn't be your business. Trading, education should be your business. People like me and other traders that you guys see on YouTube, if they were focusing on other people's lifestyle, they wouldn't be where they are today. So that's how it is. The reason why I decided to tell you guys this is just to motivate you guys to blindfold your eyes to all this freaking lifestyle content you guys be seeing on Instagram. This one posting 100k day, 50k day, Lambo, Ferrari, McLaren, mansion. Blindfold your eyes and focus on the education, because I promise you, if you make those lifestyle pictures or videos what drives you, you already failed. That's a recipe for disaster. So, all right, focus more on the education. Who did I learn most of my trading from? So I started with IML, left IML, and then I started watching YouTube videos, and who I finally learned, that I would say I learned from, like they didn't really like mentor me one-on-one, but I watched a lot of their content. He's a very, 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 very old man. At the time, he was close to his 70s. Been trading for 30 years. He's a low-key trader. Facts, Alice. Hey, how you doing, Taco Tuesday? Hey, UD, how you doing? How you been? So you guys are helping out, remember to smash that like button, guys. It helps my channel a lot. So we got 26 more minutes here, guys, for London Open. Yeah, we reacted to the zone, but yeah, it's not time yet. Plus, we have to wait for London Open. And another thing I used to say all the time is that in this industry, man, you're either gonna be a trader or you're gonna be a marketer. You can't do both. And even if you wanna do both, still the same. You're either gonna be very good at trading or you're very good at marketing. And then maybe you just okay with trading, right? Or maybe you okay at marketing and you're very good at trading. That's how it is. Me, shit, I can't market nothing for shit. I suck at it. But this right here, man, I ain't got to say nothing. Yeah, Jan, I said I'm gonna fix that after the stream. I'm gonna fix that after the stream. So those of you that want access to the Discord, just keep requesting access, and then after the stream, I'll fix it and you guys will get access. But make sure you copy. Make sure you make a copy before you start using it for yourself. The one I'm using right now is Don's journal. I'm working on mine right now. I mean, not me. I paid someone to do it for me. Maybe Kai. Is that you, Kai? Yeah, I made a copy already, but that's the one I have to send to them. Oh, okay. So you can see that this candle, sometimes you just gotta make it bigger. Now you can see that the body closed below the previous week. It's not strong, but it is there. That's okay, Jan. That's okay. You're welcome. The deeper pullback I talked about earlier, guys, we might actually get it here. I would rather see gold coming back to this supply here, or even all the way to this 30-minute supply right here. But I don't think we're gonna get to that 30-minute supply, because see, that's gonna be good. We'll be doing too much.
Really far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll delete this. You don't need that anymore.
And with what you said earlier, I hate marketing. Marketers, all those, man, I just hate them. They're just all about lying, making shit up, trying to make something look different to what it really is.
I mean, marketing is not really bad to some extent, but it's just that when it comes to the finance world, it's, I don't know, it's very different, because a lot of these people in the finance world, they're not even doing what they're claiming that they're doing.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Like, I hate marketing, because like, even let's say KFC, you'll see like a bunch of like models on a beach eating KFC. It's like, bro, no, they don't. That skinny chick that's in KFC. Stop it, man.
Makes sense.
And then the best kind of marketing, I think, is just, results. So it's like, you show your results every day. You're trading live, that's the best marketing.
Mm-hmm. Not in the trading community, it's not. If it is, I'll have 1 million subscribers now.
Morally, it's the best marketing. Morally.
Yeah. The trading industry is, a lot of people are so blind, they brainwash, and that's one of the reasons why they're gonna keep struggling. They're just gonna keep going in circles. Because if not, all these other freaking traders that don't even trade live, there is no freaking way they should be having more subscribers than traders that trade live on YouTube.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, and now, like lately, I've been getting a lot of like YouTube ads, and it's always the same dude. He's like, he starts the video off and it's like, I just had breakfast at the Dior Hotel, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then he starts talking about like, oh, I'm on my yacht and all this crap. And then afterwards, he's like, yeah, I got an AI trading bot indicator crap, buy this. And it's like, bro, what the fuck?
Uh, yesterday,
It's like the first thing out of their mouth is like money, money stuff, lifestyle stuff.
yeah, yesterday I stumbled on trading gigs video. I haven't seen his video in a while, so I don't even know how many subscribers he had. Man, I looked at his subscribers. I'm like, what the hell? Almost 700K. And I looked at Raja Banks. I'm like, what the hell? There's no way this dude should freaking have more subscribers than Raja. Number one, Raja started on YouTube way before he did. And then Raja has been trading live for 3, 4, 5 years on YouTube. Like, what the hell is going on in this industry? We can still make it happen.
Roger only has 260.
Yeah.
260,000.
Doesn't even have 500,000.
Damn.
Until these new traders or intermediate traders, until they change their mindset, until they do that, man, if the trading industry, the success rate is just gonna remain the same. Probably even go lower. Yep, I agree, Max. Okay, so since this 4-hour closed bearish, that's a 4-hour resistance right there. I'm gonna switch this. See if we're gonna reject the 4-hour resistance before we get to that supply.
Oh my god. Guess how many subscribers ICT has?
What?
1 million.
Oh wow.
Man.
Mhm. So if we close above 2033 strongly, even if we reject this 15-minute supply that's right above this minor resistance, if we close strongly above 2033, now there is a, because now we'll have a bigger structure to the upside, now there is a chance that we could now come back to, let's say, this 15-minute demand here and see price start to push up. So we could see price do this. So if we close strongly above this minor resistance, even if we reject here, we could be seeing, getting into a pullback for price to continue to push to the upside, and then we could now get all the way back up to this 30-minute supply up here and see price starting to fall again. So get up there, we'll see price coming back down again, and this time around we start coming down, could now eventually break this support that we've just formed here. We wait and see what's going to happen here. Never forget, it's easier to fool people than to convince them that they, that they have been fooled. That's a good one. That is a good one. What? We only got 16 likes? Wait a minute, am I tripping? Only 56 likes. Come on, guys. Get me 200 likes. Smash that like button. You're getting free education. All I ask in return is just for you to like this stream. Like this stream, that's all. Oh, let me delete this for now. Don't need it. $11 green 5-minute candles. Yeah.
I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And
ain't nothing I got safe though. Cause when the money go out, everybody get a piece, but it's looking like I'm on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh and a plastic crown for my halo. But still a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charge for them bank rolls and I'm grinding. Money on my
We got 9 more minutes. Okay, it's time for me to smoke some ganja now.
Abe getting his game on.
It's ganja time now.
Man, is that why you're so good at boxing? Just smoking weed before.
Nah,
Fearless in the boxing ring.
when I was boxing, I wasn't smoking. I wasn't smoking anything. I wasn't even drinking. I started boxing. No, not started boxing. Started learning how to box when I was 14. And by the time I was 16, yeah, I was freaking, I was freaking knocking out people that have been doing it for 3, 4, 5. That was when I started believing in saying. My grandfather used to say, it's not how far you've been doing something, it's how well you do it. Meaning, let's say, for example, let's use trading, for example. Let's say you and your brother or your sister started learning how to trade the same day, the same year. Right? Now, no. Let's say your sister started learning how to trade 2 years before you did. Now, just because your sister has been learning how to trade 2 years before you started does not mean she's going to be a better trader than you. Because she might not have the same commitment, the same dedication, the same focus that you have. So, because you have that commitment, you had that dedication, you were focused, you were really, really focused on, mastering the skill set of trading, that is going to help you to be a better trader than her, even though she has been trading before you. That's how life is. Yeah, when I was boxing, man, you'll see me in the gym every freaking day. And I was still in school. After school, I'm going there. Even though I know I'm going to get whooped when I get home, I didn't care. I was still going.
Man, you must have been a big ass kid. Jesus, knocking people out. It's like, what, 15 years old?
No, 16.
16? Damn.
And I was stubborn too. Very stubborn. It got to a point, I'm like, shit, you know what, man? They're just gonna whoop me, that's all. So, hey, I might as well do what I want to do. Mentally, I prepare myself for the ass whooping. Everything is all mental, man. It's all mental. Once you lose control of your own mind, shit, you done. You finished. You finished. Yeah, that was how I used to feel back then. Like, I'd be like, man, they're gonna whoop me anyway, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do what I want to do. Because I used to get, man, ass whooping a lot as a kid. I used to get it a lot, so because of that, I got used to it. But man, there was this, my aunt at that time, she was the only one that usually gives me punishment. She would just punish me. So I'm like, okay, if she's around, man, I'm a good kid because I hate punishment. Just whoop me. That's why I prefer that. Whoop me. Don't punish me. So when she's around, I'm not doing nothing. Man, if you tell me to go and be back in 2 minutes, I'm back in 30 seconds. But if she's not around, man, you'll be lucky if you see me at home the whole day. Where did I learn how to box? National Stadium, Sule. You're Nigerian, so I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I actually had 2 gyms. I used to go to the National Stadium in Sule, Lagos, and I used to go to, can't remember, is this place at Yaba? Damn, I can't remember what it's called. The Nigerians in YouTube should know where I'm talking about. It's called Yaba something. Can't remember. It's been a long time. Yeah, you say you wouldn't call that a stubborn mindset. It's already coming. Now I'm gonna need this 15-minute candle to close bullish. If it does not close bullish here on the 15-minute, then we'll take a look at the 30 minutes. 30 minute is good here. Yeah, pretty much, Dre. I was actually born in Moshi. I was born in Moshi, but didn't really grow up in Moshi. We moved out of Moshi when I was, I think, 7. So I was still a kid. So the places I grew up in Lagos was Mushi, Ebute Metta, Bariga, Festac Town, Satellite Town. Then I moved back to Bariga. Then from Bariga I moved to Ikotun. From Ikotun straight to America. Oh yeah, I come from the mud. My dad actually had money, but I didn't know him until I was, oh shit, wait a minute, man. See, this is why I don't like to talk on my stream. Oh, we flipped. Never mind.
And they faked in those sellers.
Yep, sniper entries. Yeah, as I was saying, yeah. Didn't know my dad. I didn't get to meet him until I was pretty much 19. I was 19 when I met my dad. And he worked with the immigration, and the Nigerians in YouTube will know that if you work in immigration and you're a boss, you got money. So he had money. My stepsisters, they all went to good schools, private universities, except for me. Yeah, my dad had 2 wives, and I was the only son, and they didn't want me around, so they didn't want me either for some time. You know, sometimes that's freaking years. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. The first time my stepsister asked me for money, took me a while to finally make a decision to send her the money. I didn't want to. But I'm like, well, hey, you're older now. You're doing better. Just send the money. And I did. Unfortunately, my dad died. He died in 2013. The same year I moved to America.
Hey ladies, I know it's getting cold out, you know, holiday season. I know them boys in your DMs, but once you come inside, I got some fire for you. I'm put together like extra effort to sound.
So the challenge, the stop loss that we have right here is let's go with 30 pips. So that means we can use 0.3 lot size. This is not that volatile today, so 15 pips we close. Let's see if we take a sell here. Oh yeah, Dre. I know all the dangerous places. I pretty much grew up in the hood. That's why when I first moved to America and they showed me the hood here in America, I'm like, what the hell? This is the hood? Man, this ain't no hood. These people are living good. Yep, that was exactly what I said. I'm like, no, this is paradise. Man, let me show you the hood, what the hood really looks like. But man, when I lived in Barriga was the worst of them all. Man. So when I started living in Barriga, I met a friend who we used to work at the same barber shop because that was my job back then in Nigeria. I used to cut hair. So, and we worked at the same barber shop, and I didn't even know he was in a gang. We had this, I'm pretty sure they still have it. We had this street gang. The Nigerians should know is Eye, Aye. It's kind of like, Crips and Blood that we got, here in America. So he was in one of those street gangs, and he was in which one was he in again? Yeah, they call them Bird. That's what it means, Bird. So if I was fighting this dude, a customer actually, because he started talking to my boss crazy, and man, I got so pissed off, and I just punched him in the face, and then from there we just started fighting. So eventually I ended up knocking him out, and the next day, that my friend, and we was friends actually. We was friends. That dude that was in the gang, and I didn't know. And what he did was he invited me to hang out. Man, this was so crazy. As I'm remembering now, it's just crazy. So I went there. We were all, hanging out, drinking, smoking cigarettes. And I just saw all these people. They were like freaking 15 of them. Right, 15 of them, and I was sitting, and the 10 of us were sitting, and 15 of them were approaching us. So I was the last person, right? I was the last person, and they were shaking, and they were doing the handshake. That's how they greet. That's how they greet one another. Man, instead of me to just give them a fist bump or something, man, because I was watching them, I did the same greet. Ooh. And you can't do that if you're not part of them. I did the same freaking grit. The same freaking grit. First thing I know, one of them just pushed me. I was ready to fight. So my friend just came in between. He was like, no. He didn't know, blah, 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 blah. But they were still shouting, blah, blah. We should have told him, blah, 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 blah. And eventually they were like, man, looks like this dude knows how to fight because he's not even scared. So, what are you going to do now? He has to become part of us. He has to become part of us. So I had no choice. I did it. I don't even want to tell the story of the initiation. So, yeah. That's why if I go to Nigeria today, man, there are some places that I would not even go to because they'll still remember my face. And this happened in Barriga. Yeah, man. Crazy. Yeah, pretty much. I got recruited. Pretty much. Oh, because I was trying to stand up for my boss. I should have just kept quiet. Oh, let's give this music. Before that, I was just smoking. I used to just smoke cigarettes and drink. It was when I joined. It was when I joined the gang that I started smoking weed actually. I was 21 at the time. I am rugged.
Like the same things, didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fuck those
No, they didn't know until they saw me.
the case right here, right now. The first sight shit is no joke.
You know the funny thing? Man, the funny thing was that it was not even funny at the time because I was pissed off at my friend. So my friend, he had already told them about me. So everything they did, it was all planned. Because they needed to see for themselves if I was rugged, meaning, not just that I can fight, but they also need to see that if I'm rugged, meaning I'm not scared of anything, like even if if it's 20 of you, 100 of you, I'm still gonna stay there. Hey, you guys might finish me off, but hey, I'm not going down alone. That was how I was.
I love it.
At that time. I wasn't scared of nobody. I mean, I don't think I am. Hey, shit, if you want to fight, let's get it on. So they needed to see for themselves. I was so pissed, man. Everything was planned. I should have let my boss have it. Man, that dude would have finished my boss off. What is the current balance on the $1,000 account? If you click the trading journal, you'll see it, the $1,000 challenge. We've actually taken one trade. Monday, we didn't take any because we only trade gold and it's just only doing London session with the challenge. So on Monday, we didn't take any trades. Tuesday, which was yesterday, we took gold sales. So just one. Even though it's day 3, it's the 3rd day, but we've only taken one trade. Yes, we are. We'll have this too here. Yeah. I agree with you, Alex. Man, what's going on with me today? This is I don't think since I started streaming on YouTube, I've like talked this much.
Man, you've been full of stories today.
Man, I got a headache now also I'm talking. It's good entertainment. You enjoy the stories today? Okay. I got a lot of stories, but can't tell everything today. Yeah, trading is boring. Gold will fly to 2034. Man, that's where we rejecting now. Yeah, definitely nice memories, definitely, for sure. Alright guys, we need 4 more likes guys to get to 100 likes at least. What video on my channel is the best to see how I trade? My supply and demand videos. My supply and demand videos. And this year I'm gonna start making more of those. It's just that I just be getting discouraged. I'm like, man, I make a video, they don't watch it, man. Let me just freaking do the live stream. So that's why I don't like upload as often as I do. I kind of switch to making short form videos. That is doing better. So I've actually done a lot more of those on my Instagram than actually uploading videos on YouTube. But I'll start uploading more content for you guys. To see how this candle is going to close. It's going to close bearish. Oh, we're going to start dropping down. I actually don't want it to come all the way to this entry, so I can have a better stop loss here. We'll see. We shall see. What do I think about GG sales? I don't trade GJ. Alright, Happy, I got you. Can I explain why not short from supply zone? Because I don't get into my trades that way. You can take a sell right here if you want. There's nothing wrong with that. I'll take my entries. That's how I like them.
Put it on me, she my little pawn to a shawty. It's okay, at the lake, it's a party.
When and why did I stop with GJ? I actually just stopped this year. Last year, I talked about it during the last stream I did last year. So this year.
Only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you.
What was my biggest trade and when you took? If I'm going with my biggest trade in a day, it would be NAS 100, and that's my biggest pair, right? That is NAS 100. But as far as how much the biggest amount I've made in a day, I've made 6 figures before in a day, in one day. They didn't plan to. It just happened, and then I took it. Let's just say I pretty much got lucky, because ever since that day, I actually have not passed that mark. And this was back when I used to have multiple TPs. I would just let my trade run. I was trading on the 1 hour time frame, and usually I actually stay up, because once I get TP1, I used to have TP1 at 30 pips. So once I get TP1 at 30 pips, I'll move the other two to break even, or I'll move them to profit. Then I can go do whatever I want to do. But on this day, didn't do none of that. I went to sleep, and I just woke up, and I was like, what the hell? So I wasn't expecting it. So because of that, I really don't like, talking about that often. So I just go with NAS. So, and NAS was 60K plus. So we'll go with that, 60K plus in one day. I can't make that or even close to that anymore right now, because the broker I was using then, I don't use that broker anymore. So I have a different broker now, which is fine. I don't need to make 10, 15, 20K a day. If I make 3, 4, 5, 2, shit, even 1,000, I'm good. Yeah, what's the difference? The leverage? No. Not the leverage, is the contract size. Is the contract size. Yeah, if you remember, that's why, if you remember, Mitch, you see that, I think you really want to ask me that question, that when I trade, when we trade NAS, I always make crazy money, and then you guys would just be like, what the hell, what broker are you using? It's the contract size. That's the difference. So with indices, depending on the broker, your contract size is either going to be 1, or it's going to be 10, or it's going to be 100. Broker I was using was this, and some of you had this, some of you had this. If you had these two, your trade is going to be in pips. If you had this 100, it's going to be in points. So this was what I had.
Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you
That's
everything.
why I win big, and then I used to lose big also.
Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring.
What's my analysis on gold? I'm still looking for sales. I'm still looking for sales. Oh, man. Okay, look at this one here. And then... Yep, I'm definitely still looking for sales on gold. What's my say on GJ? You want me to look at GJ?
Got my face up and my eyes down. Shawty, now you know what this is like now. Now I got a big drop top and I'm rolling. And I told my girl I'ma be up till the morning.
I know what you guys are trying to do. You're trying to convince me to freaking start trading GJ again. It's not going to happen. You are lying. It ain't gonna happen. GJ has already been served. Alright, so just by looking at the 4 hour, you got all this freaking zone here. Okay, so you have this resistance here. You got multiple touches here. We are struggling to break it. Alright, structure is still bearish. Okay, structure is still bearish, so for that reason I'll still be looking for sales on GJ. Wow, can you keep your eye on gold for me while I do this?
Yep.
Thank you. So we have this resistance we rejected multiple times. Now we came down and then we formed this 4 hour support. All right, so we formed this 4 hour support here. Now what are we going to do in this range? How do we trade this? Well, we go to the 1 hour time frame, see what we're working with. Now this is the range that we are right now. Go to the 15 minute. How can we trade this? Now looking at this, I'm bearish because the structure is still bearish, but where would I take a sell position here? Now in order for me to take a sell position here, now you'll see that here we have a 15 minute minor support here. Okay, we have a 15 minutes minus support here. Now currently right now, where is the most recent 15 minute support? We have
Gold's coming down with no top wick on this current candle.
oh, sorry, I gotta go back to gold. Oh man, don't tell me.
This candle's kind of weird.
Hopefully it flips. Because if it doesn't, I'm not going to take this. So I'm just gonna wait for this candle to either flip or close before I take a trade. Hopefully this thing doesn't freaking drive all the way down, because two things, this could mean that we have volume coming in, or it could be a fake out. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to either flip or close. So let's go back to GJ real quick. Still keep an eye on it for me a while.
Yep.
Okay, so as I was saying, now if I'm looking for sales here, now I'm going to need this low because of the structure we have right here. This is the low that is trying to break this previous high right here. Okay, now since I've identified that, I need this low to be taken out. So I need this low at 183,792. If this low is taken out, then I'll wait for a pullback retest to a level of supply that's formed, and then I'll take the trade back down to this low. Now, what if I do not get this move right here? What am I going to do? Now, if I do not get this move right here, which is this sell, then I'll be expecting this thing to come back down to this major low at 182,757, or this demand right here. And this is where I'll take my buys. Take buys down here, take sells up here. Buy low, sell high. But right now, as of right now, if I'm trading GJ, I'll be looking for sales because the structure is bearish on the higher time frame. Even here, we're still in range. On the lower time frame, there's really nothing going on. But for now, you just gotta stay patient, because if we break above 184.300, if we break below, above 184.300, you can start looking for buys at that point, because you are going to be breaking of a major, you'll be breaking above a major zone on the higher time frame. So we break above 184.300, it should be good to look for buys. That's my analysis for you on GJ. I hope that helps. So we pretty much going to wait for this candle to close on gold.
Calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you, because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when I put slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby, I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you? Ooh, I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up in
stop loss here. So if we get this entry, this stop loss right now, this is a 40 pip stop loss. For the challenge, lot size is going to be 0.25. Should be able to get 20 pips from this. Alright, okay. The account size on the challenge is just $1,000. That's what we're doing.
She want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this, so they wonder, they asking me if I can slow it down.
This candle still has 5 minutes to close.
Try, just stop it. You should know that I got options. I be fly like I live in the cockpit. Mess around with the money, get drop kick. Only one in the city to pop quick. Never cared about being your top 10. Got a house in the hills, can you top this? I came from where them boys.
We got 100 likes yet? Alright, thank you for the 100 likes, guys.
I need to talk, that's where I'm headed. Yeah, she want me to lock it down, but I told her to pass the key. You gotta slow it down, girl, you moving too fast for me. Nobody did it like this.
So, since this candle is breaking below the previous bullish candle here, what I would like to see now, hopefully, right, especially if this candle closes below this previous bearish candle, even if we get in another bearish candle, I would like to see that bearish candle flip, right, flip, and then tap either this previous candle wick or the body. Pretty much just tap anywhere here and then flip bearish, and then that's when I'll look to take the trade. That is when I'll look to take the sell. How do you sign up to join the challenge account? You just have to be a part of the mentorship. That's all. That's all. Doesn't matter if you sign up for the lifetime, 6 months, 3 months, monthly. You just have to be part of it, that's all. Edwin, what were you guys talking about in the chat? I change my voice when I talk about GJ. Yeah, GJ ain't wifey no more. Gold has taken over that position from Gold, that was once a side chick, ended up becoming the wifey. Hourly candle is about to flip. Okay.
Get a minute, don't know. Get a minute of your time. Get a minute of your.
Like that for you. Hey. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Yeah. Tell me what you want, I like that too, baby. Treat my hoes like the plugins on this damn song. I cracked them all. You know I love it when you got that ass bouncing on me.
If we get the same entry here, we'll be looking at 45 pip stop loss here.
Saying that she love me, so I'm playing along. Looking her direction, now she taking it off. And I can't stop thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' bust it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good, you top 10, amazing. Spark a new flame, I like that for you. Tell me what you want, I like that too, babe. Yeah, I like that, I do. Grabbing on your left cheek with my right hand, tight pants, got me feeling the type of way. If you want it, I could give it to you all day. Name a time and a place, but I pull up, yeah. Dinner for the day, we could cook up, yeah. Take you down in the kitchen right after you hit the road. I swear I'm still thinking about your curves. Teach you about the bees and the birds. Then I eat the cake like dessert. She gon' bust it open real quick for real. I'ma drop it in like Vert. Got a super bad bitch, feel like Jonah Hill. Look at how she walk, and you know it's real. No question, if she like attention, no question, I gotta give it to her, yeah, you know the deal. I'm a boss, I swipe that for you. Girl, you look good.
So the candle didn't close below the previous bullish candle. So the setup I talked about earlier, we're gonna scratch that. So if this candle does get to where I have the entry right now, we will be taking this. I also trade gold in NY session. Yes, I do. Oh, nice, Jan. Nice. Candle closure or just if it breaks it? No, yeah. Start breaking it, we getting in.
Fireball summer, honeymoon love.
lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number when I need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer. It was a fireball summer. And he said, won't you forget me when I'm gone? Promise I won't. Remember us dancing to a song all night long. Will you still text me when you can't be strong? It all feels wrong 'cause I got you. Nothing comes closer. Fireball summer. Fireball summer.
I need to go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back.
Honeymoon lovers, seeing no colors. Love me all summer, making discovers under your covers. Calling your number.
Oh yeah, Edwin.
Need someone to give me dick and comfort. Make sure that I come first. Fireball summer. It was a fireball summer.
Basically, you've got a gap. Where's the pencil? You've got a gap there that's being respected right now, right? So the moment it fills that gap and can drive through, it's like that. This thing's coming down because you've already got the support. It's breaking. You've got this gap that's not holding up anymore. It would be nice to see this 15 break that previous candle high to make that top wick on the 15 and 30 minute.
Alright, I am back.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
What is this setup based off? Supply. Yeah, your structure.
Heads up in the lines, now we high, high, high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from our eyes.
We got, you got your high here, got your low here. We start breaking below this bearish candle wick. I'm looking to take a sell. Gaps to the left also. Yes, I am waiting to sell. I am waiting to sell. You done with the call from the banker? My worry with current 30, not having a top wick. No, I'm not.
It's about to get it.
I'm not worried about it because I got a safe entry.
I describe the pain, I'm really going for an even code. Jesus took the reins cause God ain't going out of season though. You can join our table, I know it's no fun to eat alone. Even if you feel alone, you don't gotta be alone. Greatness in the making, so I never got this stress on me. No use at the table in the presence of my enemies. Life and patience wrestling, but I know what you said to me. They can't try to table me cause I know that you bled for me. Yeah.
Oh, alright, UD. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the family. Join us on Zoom.
You can't miss, no, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side. Help me listen and wait on your time. Yes, I'm the one that you love. Grace from above. Give me back my life, you brought me out of the mud.
Oh, and also UD.
Grace from above.
The challenge is doing London session. Don't remember if I told you that.
Pieces inside. Nothing gonna shake me, but they've been tried. I know that I'm safe in you, it's winning time. Yeah. Yeah, you know what I need. Ain't no going to sleep. I surrender to freedom. You going to leave. That's why I'm going in peace. That's why I'm sowing the seeds. Cause you show me my home and you open the lease. Been here, but it's time to let loose. I'm just praying God come
If we break this candle, previous bullish candle top wick, then our wedding continues, guys. Pretty much. Pretty much. God is trying to freaking clap all the snapper entry traders.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I try to open up.
So gold can go up to 2040. Yeah, we can. Can.
Lost control, looking at this beautiful distraction. Fell in love with a fatal attraction. I really let my guard down, now relaxing. Why did I open up?
When you join the Zoom, wait, just gotta hang out with us while we're trading, and also attend the weekly webinars and the videos you see on the Discord. The past boot camps, the past weekly webinars to catch up.
Gave you all of me, had me so deceived. You chose to leave my life, so I'm on my own in the cycle. I can't believe. Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. Can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, looks are deceiving. Trying to fight back, too far from me. I see your hands. Delilah, don't you know I see your hands. Delilah, don't you
This music got freaking loud all of a sudden. DJ Birkin. Oh, okay.
I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, God, when
Yep, possible, Edwin. Yeah.
moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is the fact. She said she feel it right back. Got sentimental, locked the momentum. Said what I meant though. Yeah, I got what I give, can't block what it is, and I'm not one to trip or flake. If the plot got thick and we got off script, I won't just dip, I stay. Let the incense float out and defenses go down. Let the pot get big, if I lost my chips, I'll process it and say it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles
I don't think that was it.
then I go ride. Hold tight. That's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright. That's life. Let those cycles twist. When the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
I look for seamless openness and conversation and vulnerability.
said don't knock walking. We spend all night locked in. Couldn't pick a movie, got too goofy, then hit pause on talking. Just a little vignette, cap with a little finesse, yeah. Laugh with the men on your breath, with the pen in your left and the other on my neck active. Make me wanna say and do big things, moving. Locking the tempo, walk through the rental after the pencil, soothing past that, yeah. What's the plan? I know what's the new one, lots to improve on. Gotta just take the chance, it's alright. That's life. Let those psychos twist when the highs go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's alright. That's life. Let those psychos twist when the highs go dip, then I'll go ride. Hold tight. Yeah, that's the risk we take. It's a trip we ought to make, and it's alright.
Who sang this song? The one that I just finished playing? His name is James Swim. So GJ buys, let's see what you guys are saying.
Them excuses got me jaded. I see that you never grew from cracks off in the pavement. All them likes on Instagram don't really mean you made it. She said I didn't change. I said you just stay the same, baby. You run it in place, yeah. I was hoping you sent a text.
Okay, so I would actually I'll actually be waiting for this 15-minute candle to actually close, because we need a strong candle closure here. Okay, that's what we need. Now if this candle closes bullish, especially if it closes above this previous candle, then you can mark your first demand here. That's one, and you get this right here, and you simply wait for a pullback, the price to come back and tap any of these two demand here, and then you look to take your buys. Simple. Need to wait and see how this candle closes. Yeah, Faye. I was just explaining, it, Faye. Yeah, I'm not trading GJ. How you been, Faye?
Long time no see, Faye.
Yeah, Happy New Year. All the boys miss you, Mom. So, Mom, when are you coming back? We miss you, Mom. I can't believe I dropped GJ again, my favorite girl, GJ again. This time I'm doing it for real though. You don't believe me? You'll see.
My girl, can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you.
Gold and Nas. I like it. Gold and Nas.
Don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I haven't had in a long time. True love crime. I hope you know that it may hurt for a while. Let's slow down, slow down. I can see behind that broken smile. Nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Oh, you're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Ooh, driving date, watch a movie, right by your side on duty.
What do I think of the artist Naira Marley? I never liked Naira Marley.
Me know how you feel. Hope I'm not in too deep. Phoebe,
I mean, I wouldn't say him because I don't know him, but his music. I never liked his music.
I know you still. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, cocoa bread.
If I haven't met you before, I can't say I don't like you. Where do I live? Texas, United States. You're asking because he's from London? Oh, okay, but I'm not in London. How you love the music selections? Non-traders can come chill on your live stream. Alright, Monday we didn't take any trades on stream. Oh man. I'm in Katy. Yes, I am. I'm in Katy. Looking so fresh at 3 a.m. Well, thank you. But this is what I do. So my body's used to it. I've been trading London session for a few years now. Since day one, actually. Oh, yeah, I don't like his music, that's all. London session includes what assets? GBP pairs, we talk about indices. You'll be looking at DE40 or German 40. Gold is not a London session pair, but it does move, so I know that's why you're asking. Well, like, I mean, that's probably why you're asking, because I'm trying to trade gold and it's London session. Much. My chat is not updating. What's going on? I'm going to trade DAX. Oh, you said I'm still going to trade daily London session on stream? No. I probably will, but not right now. I might do that maybe sometime around April or March. But for now, it's just Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays on YouTube, and every day privately on Zoom. You're welcome. Yeah, let's move this over here.
Nothing gonna take all of my blessings. Sometimes I gotta take the step for me to see the way clear. Yeah, you look at me and smile, I never see it play straight. And I believe it too. You ain't ever leave me behind. I got your word in my heart. I got your love on my mind. You're moving mountains up the way and causing seas to subside. I hear your voice behind me, whether it's the left or the right. I'm alright, I'm alright. Look up, live through the rush. Left the feet behind, can't catch me missing it once. Now look up, I can see love, I can see you one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nothing gonna take all of my blessings.
Can you ask which confluences do I use when taking a trade? When it jumps into my supply and demand zone. So when I'm looking for sales, what I like to wait for, since I take my entry on the 15-minute, so the candle that rejects the supply, that candle has to close bullish. If it does not close bullish, I'm not going to take that sell. That's on the 15-minute. Now, but if that candle that rejected that supply closed bearish on the 15-minute, then I'll go to the 30-minute to look at how the 30-minute candle closes. So that means I'm going to have to wait for the 30-minute candle to close to see if we actually close bullish and we close rejecting the supply. If that happens, then as soon as we start crossing the previous 15-minute candle, if we do not have a minor support there, then I will take my sell. But if we do have a minor support there, I'm going to have to wait until we start breaking below the minor support, because that gives me more confirmation, or my final confirmation, to actually take that sell. That's why right now, if I'm looking to take this gold sell, I'm taking it below here, because this is our minor support. For all I know, price could come back down and just bounce off of it again, and just keep doing this, and maybe we'll eventually break above, or maybe we'll eventually break below. So that's why my entry is below this minor support. And it's the same thing for, demand setup as well. You just got to do the reverse of everything I just said.
Ah, I won't ask you just now.
Damn, this previous 30-minute candle, that's a crazy flip.
I bet Danvo would have taken that. He'd probably just buy it right there, and it's like, hey, it's gotta make a top wick, and boom, there you go.
trust what you're saying. You never play. I know that you work every drive for good if I stay and be patient. Ooh, yeah, move up, yeah. You kicked out my feet, prove it up, yeah. Darkness and shadows gonna fall in the battle. I think your kingdom is come, yeah. I cannot run, yeah. Surrender, you fill up my cup, yeah. The rise and the strive, yeah. You look me in the eye, I'll be your son, yeah. I thought that I was going out my mind. I was lost, but then you came and saved my life. I had nothing, then you came and made it right. I'm just gonna trust right what you're saying. You never play. Came through the valley, we walked through the fire. Your grace is amazing. I trust what you're saying. You never play. I know that you work every trial for good if I stay and be patient. When I walk in the valley,
And we might not get anything until the 4-hour candle closes.
Oh man, that's a crazy 4-hour candle.
Yeah. The structure is still bearish. I feel like all week we are going to fall. What lot size will I trade with? My fixed lot size? Go to 20, 40. It's a possibility. But no one knows for sure. That is why you guys see me that I always trade with multiple supply zones on my chart or multiple demand zones on my chart, or sometimes I'll have both of them on my chart. I do that because no one really knows which one is going to hold. So can we possibly get to between 2038 and 2041 and reject from there? Yeah, it's possible. Can we reject from here as well? Yes, it is possible. So there you go. No volume at all.
Why you tripping, baby? You know you invited. I Acting like you know what's up, but you ain't psychic. Told you nothing going down, but you ain't like it. I told you nothing going down when you excited. So if you want a song, go and get the one. Show me the money, get the money, let's go down, down. Then we make it all, make it all, make it all. Make it up, then we make it all back, then we. You out this world, need some space for me. I'm out here, girl. I'm back up in the street. So I don't really got time to fuss and fight no more with you. Really got time to fuss and fight no more. What's the problem? What's the issue? Everything I said has been true. Love you, then he ditched you. Nobody knowing what we into. Not because of what you've been through. I know what you can do. Why you tripping, baby? You know you ain't like it. Acting like you know what's up, but you ain't psychic. Told you nothing going down, but you ain't like it. I told you nothing going down when you excited. So if you want a song, go and get the one. Show me the money, get the money, let's go down, down. Then we make it all, make it all, make it all. Then we make it all, make it all.
Will I send price and lot size to take on the challenge account? Oh. Oh no, UD is all taken. It's all taken on stream Monday to Friday if we have it set up.
What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like
But if you hear, I do let everyone know what lot size to use, because we are risking 10%.
you could meet the crew, we could even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a kid, everything was cool. Hope you never lose track, life's a little hard when you're not home, yeah. Yeah, I've been going and going, but still on my own.
What is my entry?
What's right, so my heart's just
It's gonna be 2031.71.
I just wanna put you in a box like some. Keep you to myself, you know I don't wanna share no options. If I finally tell the truth, then I'm telling it to you. What if we could plan it out? Count it for a week, pairs for a day, ooh wee. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a beat. Maybe you could chill.
Oh yeah, you did. Yeah. I'll let everyone know the lot size before we take the trade. Isn't today feeling like Monday's London session.
Yep.
Look at what Edwin said. Well,
The goal is hopefully to buy a Lambo with the account.
oh man. So you need to be honest with you. There's actually no goal. There's actually no goal. The goal, okay, so I would say the goal is to just trade the account for 6 months to a year. That's it. Because if I set a goal, right, that means I want to make a certain amount every day, and I didn't want to do that, so I'm just trading the account, just trading it as I would trade my a regular account, how I trade my personal account that I have now. So I'm just gonna trade it the same way. But now we just starting slow. We crawl. Once we're done crawling, then we run. From running, we start sprinting. So right now we're crawling. For example, yesterday we made 5% on the account. But that 5%, when you look at the amount we made, if you're not careful, you just look at the amount and be like, man, this is nothing. I need to make more. And then the more you want to make, the next trade you take might be a loss. Guess what? If you lose it, then you want to take another trade because you set a goal. Oh, you needed a community to hang out with. Yeah, we all do. If I wasn't doing this, man, I would definitely would be part of a trading community too myself. And I'm not talking about the trading community that all they do is send signals. I'm not talking about those ones. You could double an account the more at 5%. Not with the amount we're starting with right now. Because right now, let's say, because yesterday the 5% we made was 50 bucks. So in order for us to double the account in 1 month, we need to get 50 in 20 trades. So we're going to have to get 50 in 20 trades, then we can double the account. Is it possible to take 20 trades in 1 month? Oh yeah, of course. But this is if you just went on a win streak. But if you have losses in between, then possibly might be looking at like 30 to 35 trades for you to double the account. Because the way I'm trading this challenge, I already explained everything to my mentees, is when it comes to increasing the lot size, I'm not touching the lot size at all until we double the account. So every time we double the account, that is when we're going to increase the lot size. And also, once we double this 1K to 2K, I told everyone, just withdraw your 1K, which is going to be your initial deposits. We do your initial deposit. Now, what's left in there is pretty much risk-free, because right now, what we're simply doing at that point, we're trading profits. That's what we're trading. So withdraw your initial deposit, and then we start all over. Where am I from? I'm Nigerian. But I live in the States. Yeah, we're probably not gonna get anything from gold until after the 4-hour candle opens. Yeah. Yep, 20 days, making 5% each day. Yep, has to be flawless victory. It's possible. Hey, we've went on a 25 win streak before. You're in a one-sided relationship with God. Man, you're missing out. How many pips is usually my SL or my TP? So we're not trading the challenge based off of risk to reward. We're trading it based off of volatility, and we're risking 10%. I'm not in a rush to grow the account. Damn. It has become all of a sudden boring today. We don't have news though in our session today. Yeah, Janice, that's what I said earlier. We'll see we'll see what happens when the new 4 hour candle opens. We'll see. NYC session is done. Shit, I want to say it right now, but I'm waiting to see what's gonna happen when this 4 hour candle closes.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I wield will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so from 2032. Oh, you took the no top week entry. I mean candle entry. Good shoot for. But since we created this minor support, I'm gonna wait for you to start breaking before I take it. Except if we form another minor support around here, then I'll move the entry up. Aside from that, my entry is going to remain where it's at. Yeah, I noticed that too, that my chart is frozen. Which is weird.
You may be facing tribulation, but don't let it get you down. What I'm saying may take patience, but you're gonna make it out. I scratch my own 2 feet to bore you to say.
Somebody type something in the chat.
When the fires are
Should work now.
crazy, carnage, but you won't feel no
Hmm. It's not working? Yeah, it's tripping. I don't know why my chat box is tripping. Where can the entry be moved to? I don't know right now. Until we form a new minor support. We don't have one right now. Right now, all we've been printing right now is just exhaustion candles. So we don't have it yet. It's a sleepy candle. um,
True Orbs. Don't sleep on me. Free soul free.
Yep, before our candle closes in 10 minutes, I'll be right back, guys. I need to grab me a bottle of water. God made me thirsty.
My mind is on, it's on another wave, thinking all these thoughts and they possess my head for days. It's funny how they never change. True arts is probably getting rich from counting all this little change. Growing till I get a range, rise until I light up like my lingo. Show me brighter days. Funny as a kid, I was overly hyper. Nowadays I'm anti like I've been with your uncle. Baby, you could fall, but I'd rather that you stumble. Make sure that you're full, but your belly's always humble. I'm a sweet kid, I could be your apple crumble. Watching niggas turning phony. Red button every time that they phone me. I stay up on my sexy lonely. Feel better when I'm fucking lonely. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Erase my pain. Take me to fame. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Erase my pain. Take me to fame. Everybody's out to get me. I'm only joking, they can never get me. Demons always trying to fucking test me. Dealing with a lot of shit, call it large intestine. Show me light, show me better days. Mix the ambience with some fucker haze. Illusion to your brain. Saying that I'm pretty, but I play an ugly game. I need light, I need these brighter days. Money on my mind, I'm cashing out with my mastermind. Green leaf blowing, now I'm high. Sorry, I ain't set to die. Spread the wings before you fly. Awake, that's a conscious mind. Hennessy, the drink of mine. Sipping it for quite some time. I'm realer when I see the night, cause I'm closer to my darker side. Energy and vibe, so I make it through the night. Must side living, but I need a better sight. Must side living, but I need a better sight. Give me light, give me light, give me light. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Erase my pain. Take me to fame. Show me the way. Show me escape. Show me escape. Erase my pain. Take me to fame. Disconnected, do I even want to be connected? I can help you. We try
Teddy, Teddy looks very tempting, aiming for a wig fill. What are you talking about? Doesn't look tempting to me.
They tryna tell me that I'm good without you. Just stay with the things that make you feel good. But I don't see it saving me. Pretty on a shelf, it's clear to see that I can see right through it. Looking so translucent, being all elusive. That's right. All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries. All the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you. Why? Oh, why? They try to hide, behind the lie. We just wanna look good, craving the attention. We don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah, let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look up. All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries. All the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you.
Yeah, I got you, you got me. We gon' hold it down, ayy. Got my squad, family, no one else around.
So I only enter based on the 15-minute. Yes, most of the time.
He made us new update, and I'm hoping that you stick around me. Just stay in the circle, we all connected, just like an Audi. When I feel like I'm going off for the rails, you keeping me grounded. You showing me love and taking me up. I'm glad that you found me, found me.
All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries. All the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries. All the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you. Love yourself. La 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 la. Love yourself. If you love yourself. La 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 la. Save me from myself. I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. I don't really want to wonder if I'm really going under. Save me from myself.
this is your first time here, welcome.
Somewhere out there, Faye's already taken like 20 trades.
I don't think Faye is still on YouTube.
Oh, too bad.
See what this 4 hours going to do. Yes, I'll do that after the stream. I'll share the journal. Just request access, but make sure you make a copy first, okay? Looks like we are going to continue here, guys.
Yeah, New York it is.
Man.
Oh shit. God damn.
Where did that come from?
Gold's like time to stop out every single seller. Oh shit, wasn't there some dude on YouTube who sold at like 2032?
Yeah.
Damn, that's not good. Yeah, this was a possibility on the daily time frame. It's like filling up that wick.
Oh man. What a long session this is. Man. Since he broke this high right now, I don't see this holding either, but this is also a freaking minor resistance here, which is a previous lower high. So it could still hold. Still gonna fall though. It's just taking his time, just like it did on Tuesday, New York session, and we had to freaking get out of the sale at break even.
Oh yeah.
Got a 1 hour resistance there. So we're gonna turn this. A 1 hour resistance, minor resistance right there. That's definitely where we're rejecting. Okay, so if this candle closes bullish, now we definitely will have this minor support here because of this bullish candle. And then
Faye is there.
Oh, okay. Oh, you were in a buy, so we can possibly take a sell here. Ooh, what the hell? This candle came with some volatility here. Man, this is gonna be a 60 pip stop loss. 60. Damn. So see how this candle is going to close. Yeah, phase on YouTube. And the 1K challenge, if we take a sell, man, lot size is going to be 0. Between 0.15 to 0.17, we'll just go with 0.15. If it goes wrong, that's gonna be $90. Yeah. We need at least 20 if we take a sale here. All right, Frey. And if we're not in a trade in the next 22, no, in the next 18 minutes, I'm gonna end this stream, guys. Said I look tired of waiting. That's what happens when the market has no volume. What strategy am I using? Supply and demand is my main strategy, but once in a while I throw in support and resistance once in a while. So if we take a sell here, it's gonna be based off of the 1 hour resistance, which is also a previous lower high. I'm gonna give you a tip that I gave during the boot camp, this previous 7-day boot camp. So I told everyone that if we in a bearish structure, meaning we're forming lower highs and lower lows, every lower high that was formed, it's a possible rejection zone, meaning it is possible for price to pull back there, reject, and have a sell continuation. You can do that at any lower high, previous lower high that was formed. Okay, Now, the same thing if we in a bullish structure, meaning we're forming highs and lows, highs and lows. Every low that was formed, it's a possible rejection zone. Every higher low that was formed is a possible rejection zone. You just gotta be ready. What's the basic difference between supply and demand and support and resistance? They're similar, almost the same. I said I'm a supply and demand trader, but sometimes I add support and resistance, so you were wondering. So if you remember previously, I had a supply zone marked up here, but then I realized that we actually tapped the 1 hour minor resistance, which is also a previous lower high. That's why I have the 1 hour resistance here on my chart. That's what I meant. Oh, you know what? Say, just join the mentorship, damn it. All your questions will be answered. Whoa, man. We check this lot size 0.15, guys.
Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say, oh, hurry. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. Different kind of blue. Starry in the daytime. Found my living proof with you. I might lose all of me. Want you here, need your mind in the sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon'
We check this by the time we get to 2032.13, that's 20 pips.
play it cool, but I be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
Oh, well. Man, I'm tired, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I don't blame you. Man, what time is it over there?
Almost 4:30 a.m.
Jesus.
leverage is 1 to 500. I will tell. So when this candle closes, I'll wait and see what the next one is going to do. The funny thing is, even though I'm tired, once I end this stream, I probably won't go to sleep. And if I do, it'll be like all of a sudden I just start feeling sleepy like an hour. Sometimes it'll be like 30 minutes before ever I open. I'll be like, damn. The setup that I would actually prefer here is that I would like to see gold tap this resistance again. Just one more time. But as long as we do not break above 2037.44, then I'm still going to wait to see if we're gonna be able to take a sell here. Where's my SL going to be? 2040.38, and it is a 60p per sell, because all of a sudden the volatility just freaking came from nowhere. You're following what I said on GJ, but now you lost. Let's take a look.
How did he lose? How did he lose?
Who lose? Who lost?
Oh, didn't you say some guy on YouTube just said that he took GJ and lost?
Oh, no, that's not what I said. He's saying, oh, he is lost.
Oh,
He does not understand the explanation that I made earlier. So earlier I said we need a strong candle closure, and we have it with this bullish candle. So now pretty much this whole area is our previous resistance, so we need to come back and tap any of these two demand here, which is this or this one here, or even this low. I think is that the 30 minute supply demand. Yeah, actually second demand is going to be 30 minute. That's all you need. You just need to wait for price to come back, and then you can look to take your buys. You're welcome. H4. Yeah, we closed above the H4 resistance on GJ.
You've been wasted all this time. Now you popping up, cause I'm fucking up. And my grip's so cold, call that ice on road. But you wanna hit me up, showing love, say what's up. But you wasting all my time. Like I owe you shit, cause I knew you when you had your life ahead. What happening? Things are different now, I'm better than I ever been. I don't wanna talk now, 2 cups when I go out. Would've held you down and out, but you had to mess around. Now you want me back, how you hit me when I'm in town. Oh, I think you lost your crown, no one gonna save you now. Oh, don't trip over your bullshit. If you do, don't fall my way. They don't want me back in the day. Now you want rise to the lake. Wanna get a pic, tryna say you poppin' cause I'm poppin', everybody gon' say, yeah, yeah. Glad you made it, had to let it, babe, but I don't want you anyway.
I need it to quick roof. YouTube, if you want to learn how I trade and also trade London and New York session with us privately, get access to the weekly webinars, all you have to do is to join the live trading hub, which is also my mentorship as well. All right, all my links is down below in the description. Follow me on Instagram as well, guys. I appreciate you all. No trades taken today, but hey, we stayed disciplined, we stayed patient, but the setup just wasn't there. There's nothing we can do. All right, God bless you all. I'll see you guys on Friday. All right, peace. I'm out of here. See you guys on Friday. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys in a few hours for New York session.
Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome. See you guys later.
Get some rest, man.
I'll try.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is affinity.
Recording stopped.
Make sure I know it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up.